JavaScript slice method allows us to select part of an array and create a new array from it. The original array, however, is unchanged. The syntax of the slice method is that we add it to an array and we give 1 to 2 parameters. The first one is start, and it's an integer that represents an index of the array. This is where our slice begins. The second one is optional, and it tells the method where to stop. The second parameter, end, is optional. Its only function is to tell the slice method where to stop the slice. If it's omitted, we'll slice until the end of the array. Another option is to use a negative start index. When you do this, you'll be selecting that number of items from the end of the array. So a -3 will get you 3 items, the last 3. Let's slice the 5th candidate out of this array. So we have this line of code. We're going to write out to our web page from candidates, and we're adding to our array name the slice method. We're telling it to begin with the element with an index of 4 and end at 5. Let's refresh our page and see how our code runs. We sliced Huntsman, the 5th candidate. Let's update our code so that we select both Romney and Gingrich. Now, Romney and Gingrich are the first and second candidates in the list, but their indices are 0 for Romney and 1 for Gingrich. So we want to begin at 0. So we'll change our 4 to a 0. We want both 0 and 1, so we really want to stop at 2. Let's refresh our page and watch our code run. We got Romney and Gingrich, just what we wanted. Let's select, this time, the last 2 candidates in our list, Perry and Paul. And we'll use a negative start index to do it. Now, in order to select 2 items from an array and from the end of the array, we would want to use a -2 start index. Just like that. We updated our code to get the last 2 items from this array of candidates. We should see Perry and Paul. Let's refresh the page. And there they are. So we've seen how handy this slice method can be in extracting elements out of an array.